Okay, it's about 9:45 on a Sunday morning, the day of women's final World Cup, so hopefully England do well. Car park there, we've got to drop down into the water course there. But first what we're going to do is going to have a look at the train station, that direction. So let's grab a bag and let's go. Early on a Sunday morning in Sheffield, underground river explore. Cultural Industries Quarter, there we go. Look at that, a bit Art Deco, 20s. Gotta be in it, 1920s. What we're heading for is the train station. We're going to have a look at the little wooden slats. There's something there at station platform 5A. It's where the water goes underneath. So we're going to have a little look at that. Platform 5A, the water goes underneath. We're going to have a little look. That's different outside, look at that. Yeah. It's a nice little feature. We're ready to have a look around the station then? Here it is. We're here. Let's go and find this platform. 5A is what we want. There we are, 2 minutes past 10. Welcome to Sheffield. Let's go and find where we're going. Yeah, I think it's 5A, here we go. These wooden slats are by the buildings. Let's go and have a look. It's somewhere here. Okay, here they are, at the wooden slats. And later on we'll be underneath this, a bit goes underneath, so we'll find it and have a shot looking upwards. Here it is then. Later on, underneath here, platform 5A. 5A at Sheffield train station. Let's get underground. Okay, just come down from the car park. It's Jason. What we're going to go and do is drop down into the stream here and walk underneath the train station to the Sheffield Megatron, as it's called. So, take a bit of time, a bit of bending about, so it'll be good fun. Right, Jason's got his pole out in the water. What more could we ask for? Jason's got an erect pole. Right, we're off. Can it? Well, I like an extending pole. Okay, this is going to be fun. Yeah, it's deeper than I thought it'd be from the word go. Here's what it is. This is what's called Brook. Let's go and have a wander in the Brook. I tell you what, interesting place to sleep. Get some sort of woodwork here, give yourself a platform, get a tent on it. Got a piece of wood down here to level it, good for a tent. Certainly keep you dry. Right, let's go. The Brook. Then it goes into the river Sheaf when we get under the train station. We have a change. This is the Brook. Just a matter of keep going. Bit of light up there, that's the bit that opens up again, and I think then you go under again. We could stand just now, but now we can't. It's a bit head height, then it's not. It changes. Diversion ends. You've been diverted. Diversion ends is a sign. Jason a bit behind. Yeah, some water join here. Another channel. Let's have a look. Yeah, not really doing anything, that one. Good place to stay the night, wouldn't it? Get a blower, lie low in a sleeping bag down here, that'd be a challenge. Down here for one night to do it. Right, here we go. It's the last open bit by the Spa shop in the multi-storey car park. Then we go under the train station. You can get out here. You can get up the fence here and get out. There we are, there's the official tour. Just went past them, I wasn't filming. There we are, right. So just Jason and I now then. The tour's going the other way, so we probably won't see anyone now. Unless there's some individuals down here. That's a multi-storey car park. There's a bit of a spa at the end there, shop. People do get in and out here, but it's a bit of a drop. Could be an option, but I don't mind doing that bit we just done. Didn't take too long. I think now it gets a bit easier, the head height gets better. I've seen the videos. This is the edge of a train station. I think this is like sort of staff car parking, little car park. So let's get the lights on and let's go into the darkness. This is the edge of a train station land, isn't it? There's the markers, there we are, 1 inch. I wouldn't want to be at 1 metre. That'd be a bit worrying. There we are, look. Right, we're going, here we go. It's just a matter of walking, and when we get down to River Sheaf, we do a left, heading for the train station underneath. Get under platform 5A we did on the way in, where you see those wooden slats. We'll go and find those. We'll be looking up from where we looked down earlier on. There's a ladder there, there's an access point there. I can see a ladder in there, that's the way into something. Jason doing his Hollywood production. What's the better bet? To be fair, I think they'll be the same. Yeah, let's just walk. Right, a lot of standing up now, that's what you want. That's what we want. Here we are. 78. That's a marker. Then you've got 270, 280 I believe. 270, 280. I looked at a video yesterday. Okay, there was a 280, it's gone. There's something there. Right, we're now in the River Sheaf. We've got choices. There's 3 tunnels. That's the first one. Here's the second one. One might be lower than the other. I think we've probably taken outside. Here's the right. It's left, middle, right. 1, 2, 3. Right, Jason taking a few snaps. Just go down the left. Don't think it makes a lot of difference. Good work to do with the platform above is here. There it is. We saw that earlier. There we go. There's the little gaps. That's platform 5A. You can hear the trains already. I can hear them already. I think you're better off in the middle now. Come and do the middle. You're chasing about in water, there's no need. Soon get up here. You're making it harder than it needs to be. This is the better bet now. Move across up here, a couple of arches on. That's a bit dodgy, yeah. Try the other side. Yeah, I ain't walking in that. Let's try this. Might be a matter of just keep swapping over. Yeah, I'll see what we got here. Numbers. 886. All that means yards to something meters. Yeah, see, Jason's got his pole out. Let us know where we're going. But hopefully that's the end of those little drops, those mini weirs. We shall see. Seems to be some natural light. I think it does open again. You do get an open bit again. Going up the middle tunnel. No water in this one. I'm not going to deliberately get wet. So yeah, take the easier option. Water in the left. Jason's going through somewhere. There he is. I'm going to take the easier option. Yeah, a piece of wood would have been a sign maybe, but not anymore. Okay, out into the open. Let's have a quick look under here, the right hand side. Oh, here, all the same. Okay, here it is. This supposedly was written by Bill Drummond. He was the founder of KLF. Remember that, late 80s, early 90s? A bit of like sort of a dance, pop songs. There we are, KLF, Bill Drummond wrote this. Is the river really beautiful, or is it just the gradient of the land? There we are. Is the river really beautiful, or is it just the gradient of the land? Done by Bill Drummond, KLF founder. Right, Jason taking a few snaps. Poke about the pole, you get a feel for how deep it is. Useful, good idea. There we are. There's a bird in the little outlet there. Yeah, just be careful then, hang on then. Right, come on, let me get over. There we are, there's a bird there. Okay, this looks easier. Just a matter of keep going. My guess is that's probably the last bit of daylight now, and we'll get to the Megatron. Okay, just done that. That was fun. Up against the edge here. Right, ready for the next bit? I think that'll be the last bit of light we see now till we get to the Megatron. And after the Megatron, it joins into the River Don, which we're not going to do. Megatron in back. So all we can do is go back the way we came. Yeah, bird just gone by. Then I got on camera. Birds are flapping about, the pigeons. Hang on, Jason's found something sort of 10 yards behind what you found. Oh, Struth, someone's found that. Look at that. Little Nokia phone. Yeah. There's YouTube channels to make that work. And what they do, they get another working one and pretend they mended the duff one. It's a well-known fact, a lot of it is lies. If you could make that work, you'd be doing well. I think that'd be too far gone. Little Nokia phone. Okay, we just keep walking. Let's see, the middle's a better bet. Not a lot in it, to be fair. Keep going. Okay, had a nice dry bit, now we haven't. But we just keep on going. I wouldn't have thought it'd be far off. Heading for Sheffield Megatron. Big underground castle. There you are, there's an outlet. When it rains, I imagine the rainwater comes down there. Keep going, not easy, it's a bit up and down, walking through the stones and rocks. Watch where you're going. Right, Jason's on his way up. There we are, look, lots of outlets. Join up to drains in the road, I'd imagine. Okay, I think we're starting to get somewhere. The first video I saw of this, Patrick, he'd written his name on a stone, so where's that? First knew about this 3 years ago. We did another video, start of the year, They came down here last September. So yeah, I've seen a few videos on this. It's well known. Okay, I'm expecting a little stone to be on one of these sticky out bits, but I'm not seeing it. That was the first video I saw. It was a YouTuber, Patrick, came down here. Yeah, it's good. And today, it's our day. This is it. Yeah, because that becomes the River Don. We're not going to get that far. So this is your lot then. Trying to pick where I'm going. The levels are changing. Right, this is what they call the Megatron. If it's an explorer's name or is this its official name, I'm not sure. So the staff call it the Megatron. River agencies or whatever come down here, I don't know. But this is what we've came for. Is that metal work there? Look like metal work. Just gonna have a look. Picking my way over. Is there some sort of metal cover there? It's not easy walking when you can't see the floor. Yeah, look at that. Obviously seals. Yeah. It's a cover. It's going to be a manhole. There's the steps down. Yeah. It's a manhole. It's a manhole. There's steps down to it. Jason having a look. So 3 tunnels all go the same way. I think the more exciting piece is up here. I think it's a lot higher in this. Sheffield Megatron. Nice little bit of hard standing to walk on. Don't think it's going to last. Okay. I think the Megatron is just before you get to the out there where you can see the light. That's the River Don, I believe. Doing the homework yesterday, doing it from memory. This is the River Sheaf. Goes under the train station, Sheffield city centre. Right, we're heading for the Megatron. Official name of it, I don't know, or an urbex exploring name. Could be. I've seen videos on it. Always called the Megatron. I think this is it. This is it, to be fair. So you've got different heights. There we go. Yeah, it's nice. Different sort of brickwork there. Just going to have a little closer look. It's the tallest space on this river, so Megatron's a nice fitting name, I suppose. And up there's the River Don, I believe is what it's called. We won't get that far. Okay, let's do some photos the best I can. Right, what we got here? There's a car, some light bottle. What we got here? A broom. There's a plug of some sort. What's the plug? Let's have a look. It's a little USB power supply. What else we got? A cup, probably from a hotel. A broom. I'm trying to find Patrick's name. He had it on one of those like sticky out bits. Struggling to find it today. Nah, can't find it. I was looking for something I'm not finding. I see it on one of the videos. What's Jason found? Let's have a look. Oh, well done. I thought it was on top. It is the actual stone. Let's get the light off. It's a bit overpowering. There he is. Is that showing? Pat Dickinson, YouTube channel. This is the first time I knew about this. I saw his video. He'd done this on his own. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. There we go. There's your lot. We're done. That's it then. A few little bits and pieces left on top. Well, let's just walk back. We're now going down the middle tunnel of the three. Okay, what we got here? There we are, look. Ironing anyone? Now look, people pick things up and put them up on these little ledge bits here. There's an iron. Haven't got too much light, upsets the close up of the camera. What we got here? People do like collecting things, look, it's bits and pieces. What we got on this one? Not sure what that is, a container of some sort. Oh no, I'd say that's insulator of some sort. I think it's enamel. Feels like enamel to me. Whole barrier's got brought down here, look at that. Bit like a temporary barrier come down. That must have been some flow of water to get that down. Yeah, it's 3 tunnels, you see, look, they link. There's little underpasses. For some reason they build them up on this one, so when they try to keep the channels separate till it overflows. Yeah, for some reason they build them up on that side. Here comes the official tour. This will be a tour showing them what's what. We've done it on our own. We saw them earlier, this will be another group. Hello again. Don't mind me doing a bit of filming, do you? Official tour, we've done it on our own. We stopped for something to eat. There we are, there's the end of the official tour. It's a nice thing to go and do. We're having a little bit of a break. Jason's having a cup of tea out the flask. Hello. There we are, that's the official tour. Quite a number. 30? Gotta be at least. What do you reckon? 30 odd people? Right, Jason's going to go and have a look at the river Sheaf the other direction. We've done one way to the Megatron, now we're going to have a little look at this. See what we can see. I'd say this is a little bit more modern, this, isn't it? The look of it. Now we're going to look up the river Sheaf in the other direction. Yeah, this seems a lot newer, this. Or not so visually pleasing anyway. We're going the other way. We've done one way to the Megatron, now we'll have a quick look up this way, see what we can see. That's for trains. We just had a train coming in or leaving, you can hear it. Yeah, right under the platforms. Okay, just came out, we're going to cut it short and do the cheating, getting outway. All the car horns, I thought they won, they lost. England lost to Spain, there we are. World Cup final, we've been prattling about in the river. We're going to cut it short and do this. Right, underground river, Megatron in Sheffield, done. Now we've got to walk along the streets in the Raiders now, that'll be fun. And a convenient ladder left here from the tour, I'd imagine. So we're out of here.